Corps S1, Adjutant Intelligence. Cadet Captain Jason Cañada, Corps S2, Operation Training. Cadet Captain Reynan Ocmer, Corps S3. Cadet Captain Mark Emmanuel Timbangan, Corps S4. Cadet Captain John Ray Velasco, Corps S5. Majorettes Leader Mary Hazel Siguenza. Band Leader Jamil Khan Nicolas. Company Commander Cadet Captain Raymond Altea. Company Exco Cadet First Lieutenant Axel Sander Prado. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Vencel Tuazon. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Lindsay Belga. CAT Facilitator Commander Edmar Patricio. Band Advisor Coordinator Elmar Paro. Majorettes Edmia Jane Aguilar. Majorettes Trainer Joan Redota. Marlon Delfino. Band Master Trainer Dennis Nacional. Entry number 15 Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 15, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City.